We are going to discuss about metal matrix composite, right? At first, what is metal matrix composite? Okay, metal matrix composites are advanced materials made by combining metal or alloy matrix with a reinforcement paste, ceramic particles. And for example, in ceramic particles, fibers or viscous, okay, to improve mechanical, thermal, or tribological properties. Okay, why we are using metal matrix composite? Okay, to increase the strength and to increase the stiffness and for the wear resistance and thermal stability and for the corrosion resistance. Okay, and some materials we are using for the matrix materials. Okay, the common matrix metals include first one is the aluminum, okay, and second one is magnesium, third one is titanium, and the fourth one is copper, and then fifth one is nickel, right? But generally, we are using the aluminum for to reduce the weight of the material. So widely we are using in automotive and aerospace, right? For magnesium is a very light material, okay, and it's good for weight sensitive parts, right? And also we can use titanium. Titanium is mainly used for to increase the high strength to weight and mainly for the corrosion resistance. Okay, and the next one is copper. Copper is good material for thermal and electrical conductivity. Nickel is used for the high temperature resistance. Okay, these are the properties of matrix materials. Okay, and then we are using some reinforcement material also. For example, silicon, alumina, and boron carbide, graphite, and carbon nanotubes. Okay, these are the reinforcement materials. Okay, and but general properties we were discussed, and next we are going to see about the classification of metal matrix composites. Okay, uh, but in metal matrix composite, we have some types. In reinforcement, we are using the particle reinforced and fiber reinforced, viscous reinforced. Okay, and in metal, matrix metal, aluminum based, magnesium based, titanium based materials we are using, that reinforcement size will be very micro or in nano. Okay? And reinforcement distribution will be continuous or discontinuous, right? In this fabrication methods, we are using some types. First one is liquid state process, and second one is solid state process. Third one is gaseous state process, right? In liquid state process, we are using casting and squeeze casting, right? Slurry casting, melt infiltration, and spray deposition. These are the liquid state process. Okay, and in solid state process, we can use generally the powder metallurgy technique and hard processing, diffusion bonding. These are the various methods in solid state process. Okay, and the final one is gaseous state process. Right? In gaseous state process, we are using the physical vapor deposition and chemical vapor deposition. Okay, these are the processing methods in gaseous state process. Okay, but general application is we are using in aerospace and automotive and electronics, defense and sporting goods. Okay.